Right here.
I know if you're. Hey, you're out.
I know.
Haha, you butchered your reload. Alright, you cover that way, I'm covering this way. Whew. Oh, I got 2 of them there.
I got 4.
Shay, you know that green building way out?
Yep.
Yeah, I got 2 of them.
Alright.
Hey, red truck in front of us.
I'm watching this lane right here. This is where they're all running. How many lives do you have? I didn't even listen. Hey, Ross. You have 1 live?
No. 2 respawn. You get 2 respawn.
Stop hosing people.
They have unlimited.
I'm already down a mag.
We gotta hold them.
Yeah.
Okay, so I've got 4 extra mags. Okay. I don't know how much you used out of the ones you gave me, so I could be giving you empty mags. These 3 are empty, I think.
All right. Hey, we got some moving to the left in the woods. See him?
Oh, yo.
Oh, wow. How far left can they go?
I think as far as they want. I think sounds sweet. Shooting way better now?
Yeah, he just got hit.
Nice.
All the way out. Holy shit. Wow, yep, they're coming way left. We need to go
Here,
back
you want to
to
cover that?
tower.
Here, you cover that, I'm covering half.
Hey, come to this tower with me and go that way. There's no cover though. Well, they're all coming in there and there's only one way they can
get in the truck. Hey, duck, come here. Did I get hit?
Yeah, you did. So tap or die, pretty much. I just gotta play music, bro. Watch
Isaiah. Hey, that's your name, right? Isaiah? What's your name?
Isaiah.
Okay. Hey, if you want to cover left, I'll cover your right.
You realize the only place you're getting hit is your face.
What?
The only place you're gonna get hit through is your face.
Gun's covering it. I'm a truck gunner now.
Yeah, hey, they're pushing left.
I can open these windows and shoot.
Get to this truck here?
What?
Do you guys should go to this truck here?
No, they're too exposed. They're pushing up on our right too. Hey, if they do come up on the left, I can open this.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, hello.
Reloading!
Haha. Hey, man. Do they have unlimited lives? Shit. Shay, they're coming up on our left. Shay, they gotta get that pin in the middle, right? Yo, 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 left, left, left. Isaiah, super left, like right in front of you. Woo, beautiful shots. Hey, 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 watch your left, watch your left. Shay, they were pushing hard on our right too. Red truck ahead of us, red truck in the woods. Isaiah! Come in, come here, come here.
What's up?
Come in, come in, come in, come in, come in.
Come in?
Yeah. Come camp with me. Duck, 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 duck. Okay, shut that door, shut the door. Okay, you can roll that window down with the crank.
Okay.
And then we're just gonna camp stop this. So I'm gonna cover right here because there's a guy pushing on the right. And if you need, you can push these windows open. I'm gonna unlock it. Just push up and you can pull,
Okay.
push and pull.
Pushing left! He's coming left!
If they start shooting, just roll it up. Be careful because this whole middle is literally gone.
Those guys are pissed at us for hosing them down. I got
That was a little mean.
Yeah, that was.
I mean, it was all in his mask though.
This thing is loud in here. Holy shit.
I know, it sounds great.
Hey, coming straight ahead. Straight ahead! Hey, coming straight ahead! Watch your right!
Yeah, this thing's like honestly a little dirty. It's pretty cheap, but you know what? Truck's off. You out? Oh, holy shit. Where the hell is
Might as well roll it up while I'm reloading.
Yeah, I don't even know where he is. Are you on your last life? Or you have one respawn left? Holy shit, right in front of us. You see these two running?
Yep. I have one respawn. Where's our flag, by the way?
It's right in the middle. Shit.
Holy shit.
Yo, they're in Mayhem on the right. Walk out!
Hey, right side, hard right.
Oh. I'm watching the fuckheads. He's not even shooting at us, we're good. Oh.
I got you!
Am I hearing children scream? Is that what I hear?
Yeah, behind us. Dude, look at these people to the left. They're just fucking standing out there working on their guns. And I hit him and he fucking waved his...
Oh, shit.
Fuck.
Okay, that's fine. That's actually gonna help us. Just get ready to hose on them.
Yep.
Back a car here.
I'm watching left here. Holy, that was a good smoke.
That's gonna help us in about 3 seconds here. And it fucked me.
Mm-hmm.
3, 2, 1, okay.
get right here. I can't get a number on that.
Don't worry about ricochets that fall off the ceiling. Like, it's fucking stupid.
Yeah. Pushing up here.
Ooh, nice freeze came in. Woo-hoo-hoo. Okay, I got one that was running up the car. Hey, Shay, one on the white car that's flipped over. Watch your left. Watch your left. My left? Yeah. Oh shit. Silver car.
I'm watching here. We got a lot of people coming here.
Oh, holy shit. Man, did you watch that? Silver car down.
Alright, I gotta start slowing down a little bit.
How many you got?
I got one.
Take the 2 out of my backpack. You got 2 more.
Alright. Check time. Ask him for time.
Hold on. I got 4 total more. Like for you. Hey Shay, how many mags you got? Okay, I got 2 extra if you need them. You didn't call it the first time.
I feel like a bitch for holding it. I don't even care.
They're pushing so hard on the right.
Fucking call it then.
You got those mags out of my bag?
Not yet.
Okay.
I don't think people understand that they have to call themselves out.
Right?
Like, I'm not gonna see you get hit and then assume you're gonna call it.
Okay, he's on the flipped car again. Holy shit. Shay, right.
Hey, you might have to put that up. We have to dip out.
I'm just gonna raise it up a little bit and make it harder for them to see. Man, you're in a really bad spot for me. I'm gonna shoot and you're gonna get hit.
I'll put this one up. Nope, no. If you're out, get out!
Hey, right in front of us.
I know.
You see
I got
him?
people over here right now.
No, you're good. Oh, shit.
I don't know where that came from over here.
If I was like 5 inches taller, this would be perfect. Oh, shit.
You're good. You can get out.
Oh shit. Okay.
I love that.
He wasn't calling it before. Hey, this guy's gonna be a problem. 2 of them in front of us. Kick this window open. You ready? Oh, no, you're ready.
I know.
3, 2, 1. Pull it shut.
That grenade's not gonna.
Where is he?
He's right behind this red truck.
Oh, you pull my mags out?
Yep.
You got a hole?
Yep.
Okay.
We can't pop this open anymore.
Yeah, no, I know. Yo, you see this guy right here? Bro, are you fucking kidding me? Oh my god. I'm gonna lose. guy right here. Okay, make sure you keep that covered.
This guy pushing right here. He's on our left, dude. He's on our left.
I know, you're gonna have to cover it.
I'm stuck, dude.
Okay, just keep it covered. I know, just keep, is the window not open? Keep it shut.
I'm open.
Okay. I'm gonna have to open up in about 3 seconds here. I'm putting my foot by you. Got 3. 4, 5.
I got the guy out left.
Okay, keep that covered.
Yep, you're good. You're good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 feet. You're shooting 13 feet.
Hey, calm down,
it's 10
dude.
feet. Take a walk. Take a walk.
What?
Fucking pussy. Yep, you're good. I got you. You're good. I see you in the bush. You can walk. Yep. 15.
Oh my god, they're all shattering, dude.
We're gonna pop it. I'm gonna pop it here.
Hit. Oh, I hit my helmet. Hey, they got flagged, but I hit them.
Alright.
I'm opening this to get out. I'm gonna shut it.
Bang.
I'm out.
I'm out.
What? How?
Apparently he banged us both.
How do you call both bangs? You don't have the
Bang.
yeah, but you hopped. You can't go bang 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 bang. Like I was standing right there. There was no possible shot. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. This is going to be the announcement for who won. It is Friday the 26th right now, and I need to take this off so you guys can take me seriously. It is the 26th right now, and you guys, anybody that won has already been notified. I'll be doing that. I did that yesterday, but for the most part, I responded to the comments on YouTube that if you won the Glock, you got it responded to, and then 2 Patreon people ended up winning. So first and foremost, the first winner, which will be the Patreon night vision giveaway, was Zeke. You won that. So I'll get that to you. I'll DM you, or at this point I've already DM'd you on Facebook. But you won the night vision, which is, oh god, it's right here. So that is yours. I will get that to you whenever. Secondly, our first winner on the Glock giveaway was Justin McGee, one of my patrons as well. So you won a Glock. It looks like you wanted the 18C. So I will, I'll send you a message on Patreon, but I'll also comment. Like I said, and then I'm gonna pick the rest here, and I'll be right back. So I've got 3 more Glocks to give away, and I will start recording again once I finish that. So give me 1 sec. I can't record. Okay, and I'm looking at the screen right now. So for those of you wondering, I use TubeBuddy on YouTube to help me do these giveaways. There are some other things I have to change because I started a Patreon. So basically I have to account for the fact that they have certain extra entries, because on Patreon, depending on the tier you're in, you actually get more entries for the giveaways that I'm doing. But anyway, Kimothy Thomas, which looks like, according to your comment, Glock giveaway 1K. Congrats on 1K. I subbed to your Patreon. My name is The Dead Eater. Hope you make it big, bro. The Glock I want most is the Glock 19, but it really doesn't matter. I'm not picky. So since you won second, I've already, it looks like Justin wanted the 18C. So depending on, I'm assuming he'll probably want that. But you've got the Glock 19 because you are the second winner. So Glock 18C is now given away. Glock 19. We'll pick another one here. And like I said, you guys had to have the keyword Glock giveaway 1K and a, so John Simpson, you didn't put any, I just see Glock giveaway 1K, which isn't valid because it doesn't tell me what you wanted. So that's an invalid entry. Load. Why are you? It's stuck on that, but essentially I can actually search through, and when I gave a keyword, which was Glock giveaway 1K, it allows me to pick, but it's not working. Do I have to refresh the page? But basically, everybody that commented and did what I asked, you have a shot at winning. So far, of course, somehow somebody's going to say it's rigged because only patrons have won so far, which is kind of, I mean, they're paying $15 a month and get a decent amount of entries. So my internet is being garbage right now. But essentially, they're paying more, but they do get the benefit of having more entries for the money they're paying. Okay, give me 1 sec. I'm going to, real quick, reset this whole page. Give me 1 sec. Yeah. Okay, fix kind of the camera angle too. I don't know if this is going to be any better, but we'll go with it. Okay, so I've refreshed the page. I've typed in the keyword because it's a pain in the butt. So Glock giveaway 1K. And the next winner, so the third winner will be Cole Schmidt. It says, Glock giveaway 1K, you're killing the YouTube business, Brandon. Keep up the awesome content. Appreciate it, Cole. Also, Kim, appreciate it, man. Anyway, you wanted a Glock 19, 19X, 18, and 17. 19's given away. The 18's already given away. So 19X would be your pick there. So Glock 19X is yours. I'll DM you on Instagram, assuming you still use that or something. I'll figure it out. At this point, I'm not going to repeat myself. And finally, the Glock 17 is the only one we have not given away so far. Also, Cole, I got to figure out the 19X situation because that kind of got sold at stations, so it might be a little wait on that. Because I didn't pre-purchase all of these. Just at the time, I didn't have the funds, and my truck and bike have been breaking, so it's just been a pain in the butt getting these. But why? Okay, so if I sit on one of these too long, third intermission or fourth, whatever we're on, I'll be right back. And fixing, maybe, I don't know, the mic is pulling the camera. And finally, after a nightmare of refreshing the page, the last winner of the Glock giveaway 1K, getting the Glock 17, because that is the only one left, if I'm thinking right. 18C, then we gave away 19. 19X. Yeah, we're going to go with that. Glock giveaway 1K is Super Guppy. Yeah. He says, Glock giveaway 1K, consider me in, bro. I like the 18C. First and next in line will be the 17, 19, and 19X. So 17 being the only one left, you get a 17. I will drop comments on everybody. We will figure this out. And that is your winners. So Zeke with the night vision from Patreon. So you got that, and then the other 4 Glocks are given away. So I'll get that taken care of, and yeah. But anyway, I appreciate everybody entering. This will be at the end of the video. I was going to put it at the beginning, but I put it at the end because I'm weird. It is what it is. But hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. There will be more content coming up soon. You guys will see the next video on Monday, and I'll catch you guys then. Thanks for watching, guys.